Hello guys, it's me. I'm playing a new game. So, I'm playing this new game. It's so cool. Let's try this. World Ups. I got my ups. My ups. What's the score? Oh, what's this? I forgot to read it. They have no fear. They have no fear. Let's go. Let's see. Help me. Yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh. GG's. GG's. GG's, bro. GG's. Oh my god, this ad, bro. Okay, we're back. So, we're gonna go to campaign. And let's go to new mission. Surprise delivery. Kill the person who takes the briefcase. The mayor's intimidate photos got into the wrong hands. The blackmailer wants a big fish full of cash, but we'll get something else. Patay! Death! Briefcase receiver. Okay. Receive. Who's gonna receive the Okay. Reset. No, I will not kill this briefcase. They said receive, so he'll keep an eye on him. Oh my god. Right on the head. Let's go.
The blind box
Oh my god, bro. Okay, we're back. Behind enemy. After a criminal bust gone wrong, police officer John Smith got trapped on a rooftop with criminals. Clear a way out for him. He gotta save this dude. You're dead. So this is John, okay? Let's go! Oh my god. I'm gonna upgrade. Ads. Just ads. Okay, this is gonna be my last match since there's gonna be a lot of ads, bro. Wait, I need to upgrade my weapon first. Okay, I'm done doing. So let's do it. This. What about just this one? Name Ronald Cable. Birth date 5/18 1985. Wanted for mugging. Manslaughter. Last seen at Lonely Blossom Villa. Okay. Listen. You're dead. You're dead. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Bye bye guys. I'm gonna end this. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.